Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PWIP. Export knowledge be, trade be.
Hi, a lot of people come to us and ask us why rice has a very low margin. But my only advice, my friends, is that don't see rice exports as a margin product, but see it as an investment product. What I mean by this is that rice is one such product which does not stop once you start doing this business. It's a volume business. Your buyers don't want just one container and then stop buying from you. The buyer who has this requirement of every month on month, one container or 10 containers or 20 containers or whatever that your buyer has the capability for, right? So rice orders are going to be there continuously. So let me explain how rice is an investment product and not a margin product. How can you make money? You look at it like this. For example, let us say that you have 10 lakh rupees with you. If you keep it in your FD, might be you will earn 5 to 6% per annum. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide, say 6% divided by 12 months, right? Because 6% per annum in FD, which means you're getting 0.5% interest per month. Whereas if you put it in rice exports or in exports, where the minimum margin is, say for example 1.5% also, which means your 1.5 into 12 months, it's a 18% per annum returns on your rice exports. So versus FD to this, your FD is 5 to 6% per annum, whereas your rice export could be 18% per annum. This is how you make an assessment, and I'll tell you a little more details as to why you should actually look at it like this. What are your options right now? Where can you else put your money? You can either put your money in FD, you can either put your money in mutual funds, you can either buy stocks, you can either put it in land, you can either put it in gold, right? These are the investment options. But what is the return that you get and the risk ratio, right? So if you have somebody who can promise you 18% per annum, and that's the way to look at it, without risks, right? It has to be risk-free for you, right? Are you guaranteed on the stocks? Are you guaranteed on the mutual funds? Are you guaranteed on your gold? If yes, then proceed. But then you are looking at something to happen in continuity, right? You need to make your margins every month. So that is when a business like exports or rice exports designed by PWIP could be one such product that you could look at. We at PWIP have been doing this from quite some time, and we have made many happy exporters who make a monthly revenue out of rice exports. What I suggest, my friends, is the only reason this is very highly beneficial for you is because you have the whole back end support of PWIP, from bringing authentic buyers, how to make pricing, margins, your selection of rice mills, selection of rice, quality inspection, bags, your local transport, your shipping, your containers, CHA, freight forwarding, and getting payments delivered to your bank account. Everything is being handled by PWIP, which means your effort is very less in this, so that you can focus on increasing your volumes, right? So you don't need a sales team, don't need an operations team, you don't need a accounts team or admin team. So everything is going to be handled by PWIP. So we have been continuously working on this. Please get in touch with us to understand more about how you can invest in rice exports and make your regular monthly income, right? As I said, rice exports is an investment and not a margin game. Thank you.